seats left, so if you're in the Spectacular drag or you want to sign up right now, head down there right now. Once again, if you're in the Spectacular drag, head on down to your car now. We are going to get ready for that. I think it's my favorite race here. Spectacular drag drivers. It's now or never. Come on. All right, lights on the car corner, pace truck are out. Green flag and we're racing. And I don't know if that start's going to go because Douglas Niswanger was in the lead, but it's going to be this way because our pole setter hasn't really ever set a pole before, so he's kind of all over the place. As you can see, Douglas Niswanger decided to say hi to the Rockford Speedway wall. I thought he was waiting for Mike Chipman to catch him or what, but he's in front of him. But it's number 75 of Justin Hawkins out to the races in that very bright blue and pink number 75, followed by the high schooler. And that's going to be, I think it's his son or his brother or something like that. That's Zachary Hawkins. But it's Greg Witt in the 87 car, the Green Machine, looking to make a move here as he's coming on. But he's got some pressure now from Seth Hansen. Seth Hansen in that 12 car, Seth out of Beloit, Wisconsin. He's now coming up. He's passing Greg Witt. Maybe not. Greg Witt's not out of it yet. He's coming back. We're 3 wide, coming out of turn 2 as Hansen and Hawkins make contact coming out of turn 2. Everybody else single file racing. And it's going to be Hansen now, your new second place car, Hawkins in third. So we've got Hawkins in first. Wow, that's Triple H. That's like that wrestling guy, Triple H. We've got Hawkins, Hansen, and Hawkins. But here comes Witt. So here goes Hawkins, take the white flag. Hansen for second. And Hawkins barely holding off Greg Witt. Let's see what happens. Greg Witt doing everything he can. Brand new car. Mike Shipman might not make it around the track. Look, he's going to go to the inside. There's only one lap. It's over. Hawkins wins. Hansen for second. Hawkins for third. So Triple H first, second, third. Greg Witt. It's over. He's still racing in the 87. It's over, Greg Witt. It's over. Look, he still thinks he's racing. All right. Followed by the 16 of that's Joshua Zacharias. Morgan Mausahund. That's a hard one for me to say. And then the 197 of Douglas Niswanger, and he just beat Mike Chipman in the 92 Chrysler Imperial. I'd like to do an interview with the two of those guys. That could be interesting. But we're going to talk about our winner out here in that bright blue number 75, or teal. I don't know what you want to call it. Maybe teal. All right, he's going to get out of his car. Once again, if you're interested in the High School Racing Association or Sixers Division, they don't cost a whole lot of money. It looks like a Pontiac G5 or a G6. I think that's a G6. I think he's getting out. I know it's hot, so it takes a little bit of time to get out of those cars. Race fans, now would be a good time to run out and get yourself something to drink. Get yourself, if you're an adult, get yourself an ice cold Miller Lite product. We've got Lightning Kugels. There he is. Make some noise. It is the 75 of Justin Hawkins.